I'd like to share with you this stainless steel shredder. Now this was gifted to me in exchange for my review. Let's get this box open and see what we have. Looks like it does come with some instructions, and it goes through all of the pieces that you do get in the box and how to use it correctly.
Now this is the shredder attachment for your KitchenAid stand mixer. It's very easy to attach. You put it right on the end there, and here is the food pusher, and it's all stainless steel. It does come with 4 interchangeable blades. Now this one right here is the fine shredding blade, and then we have the coarse crushing blade, and then we have the slicing. And it's very cool. We also have a fine powder blade. It also comes with a brush that is very helpful when you are cleaning and washing up your stainless steel mixer attachment. See how easy it is to put it on your stand mixer? And you just tighten the screw and your attachment is very secure on your stand mixer. I really like this design. It is more user-friendly. Does have the food pusher. When changing out the blades, it's very simple. It's a quick changing button. You push it in there and now it's very secure in the stand mixer attachment. I am going to demonstrate with some cheese. Now the opening at the top is a little bit larger, and so is the discharge port. I'm going to get my bowl ready to catch that beautiful cheese when it comes. I love the fact that I can grate my own cheese here in the home, and it's fresh. How awesome is that? Look how pretty that cheese is coming out. I'm going to switch and put my slicer in. I'm making scallop potatoes tonight, so this attachment made my job of making dinner so much easier. And they are so uniformly sliced. This stand mixer attachment can be used for so many different things and is a perfect little helper in the kitchen. It's so easy to slice, shred, or grind a variety of ingredients, from cheeses to vegetables, nuts to chocolate. The possibilities are endless. And when you're all done, cleanup is a breeze. You just toss it in the dishwasher. This shredder slicer attachment is just a perfect helper in the kitchen. All in all, I think this is a great shredder and I do suggest it.